Boardroom Zero. Autonomous intelligence system.
Businesses don't have a data problem. They have a decision problem. We build more dashboards and pipelines, but decisions are still slow and reactive. The real gap is between when the data is available and when a leader makes a decision. Boardroom Zero is an autonomous retail intelligence platform designed to close that gap. It turns raw data into validated insights and decisions, automatically. No human in the operational loop. The human becomes the executive board, not the operator. Here's what actually happens inside the system. Data lands in Google Cloud Storage, for example, a raw CSV. The platform immediately scans, profiles, and understands the data, its schema, its structure, and its quality. It validates the data, detects anomalies, and registers it into the system with full lineage. From there, the data is transformed in BigQuery through a medallion architecture. From raw bronze to structured silver to decision-ready gold, these transformations are managed and tested through Dataform, ensuring data quality at every step. Once the data is ready, Vertex AI pipelines are triggered automatically. Multiple models are trained in parallel, each learning from the latest state of the business. The system then scores, evaluates, and generates insights directly inside BigQuery using Gemini via ML Generate Text. At every stage, agents publish signals into the environment, and other agents respond. No central orchestration. The system coordinates itself. If something breaks, a query fails, a schema changes, a model degrades, the system attempts to self-heal. And once everything is complete, the output isn't a dataset, it's a decision, delivered directly into Teams or Slack. From raw data to validated, traceable, decision-ready insight, fully automated. This works because of how the system coordinates, not through orchestration, but through stigmergic signals. Agents respond to changes in the environment, just like ants do. No central brain. Coordination emerges. The system is continuously improving. Models are trained in parallel. A champion is selected. Challengers compete. Drift is detected automatically. Better models are promoted. The system learns as it runs. This is where it becomes real for the business. Boardroom Zero doesn't produce reports. It produces decisions. And those decisions are delivered in 3 ways. When something important happens, Boardroom Zero pushes it directly into Teams or Slack. Not dashboards, not reports, decisions. For the Chief Customer Officer, that might be churn risk alert with a $286 million at risk and 3 actions to take. For the Chief Product Officer, a demand surge or pricing imbalance with clear recommendations to optimize. For the Chief Technology Officer, a pipeline failure or a model degradation, flagging trust risk in the system itself. And critically, when a decision is high impact or irreversible, we escalate to a human, because trust isn't optional, it's designed into the system. Deeper visibility, leaders move into the Boardroom Zero portal, a real-time interface across customer, product, and technology. Here they can explore revenue at risk, demand trends, model performance, data freshness, and trust signals. Everything is connected. Everything is live. This isn't static reporting, it's a decision environment. And when leaders need more, they can just ask, directly in Teams or Slack. The Ask agent provides conversational analytics grounded in BigQuery. Every answer is explainable, every insight is traceable, so decisions aren't just fast, they're trusted. It's built on trust. Every value comes from deterministic SQL. Every insight is traceable through lineage. Every decision is auditable. Gen AI interprets the data. It does not invent it. Boardroom Zero closes the gap between data and decision. With a self-healing, autonomous system you can actually trust. Scalability is built into Boardroom Zero by design. Technically, it's modular, from data ingestion through to decisioning and agents, scaling independently on cloud infrastructure. It sits on top of existing platforms like BigQuery and Snowflake, with no replatforming required. Commercially, organizations can deploy part or all, starting with a single persona or use case and expanding to enterprise-wide intelligence, secure, governed, and embedded into existing workflows.
Boardroom Zero. Autonomous intelligence system.